About this item type, CB antenna cable, UHF PL259 male-to-male coax cable connector, PL259 male, center copper and nickel plated. This 50 feet PL259 patch cable uses a low-loss RG8X cable, has good flexibility, PVC jacket is waterproof, sunproof, and anti-corrosion, can be used indoors, outdoors, underground. The CB radio coax cable is suitable for Yisuk, Amphenol sojourner, outdoor J-pole antenna, ham radio, Browning base antenna, vehicle, trucks, van, RVs, yacht, and sailing etc. The PL259 cable can be used in antenna analyzer, dummy loads, antenna tuner, coax switch, VHF/UHF radio, transceiver duplexer, radio scanners, CB amateur radio, standing wave meters, folded dipole antenna, ham shack, handheld radio etc. Never have to worry about any security issues. We are full of confidence in the quality of our PL259 cables and are willing to provide a 1-month replacement warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you unfortunately receive a defective product, please contact our customer support in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item type, CB antenna cable, UHF PL259 male-to-male coax cable connector, PL259 male, center copper and nickel plated. This 50 feet PL259 patch cable uses a low-loss RG8X